Jessica.
Hi.
Good morning, Maurice. Jessica,
Morning.
how are you, Jessica? Are you good?
Yes.
Okay. How about you, Maurice? Feeling good? Yay. So we're going to learn about something new again today. And while we are waiting, you can cut your drawing. See, your previous drawing, the face and then the fish, the Nemo fish. Have you cut it?
Yes.
Okay, if Jessica already cut it, now Maurice, I want you to cut the shape of the face like this, and then the fish. Have you cut it, Maurice? Yeah. Okay. While we are waiting for the others, I want you to also prepare your paper. Big paper. Do you have it?
Yes.
And then your marker, and then your coloring tools. Do you have your like connector pen or crayons or watercolor on your table? You have it, Jessica?
Yes.
Okay. Oh yeah, Jessica. So, I mean, this year you will be grade one, yeah.
Yes.
Yay! Congratulations, Jessica. So
I
you
can.
will be. So
If
you will not. Yeah. Again.
if I go to China, I will go to grade one in here.
Oh, you will go to grade one. Now you are living in Indonesia or China?
Indonesia.
Oh, still in Indonesia, yeah. So if you go to China, you will be grade one, and then you will be joined with others primary student. Yay! Jessica, you will not longer a kindergarten student, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you will be joined with the primary level like grade one, grade two, grade three, grade four, and grade five. You will join with them. Yay! And I'm going to miss you then. Oh, Jessica, oh, not in Indonesia. Oh my God. Right. And Maurice, have you prepared your paper?
Yes.
Okay. And your marker, Maurice. And have you cut your face drawing like this, Maurice? Cut it first, and then your Nemo last time. Cut it first like this. Okay. It's already 9 o'clock, but I'm waiting for the others. How come that they are late? Maybe something wrong with them. Maybe they are still take a bath, showering, like that, or they are still uh yeah, put on their clothes maybe to prepare. Oh, now we have Clarissa. Hi, good morning, Clarissa. Clarissa from Bekasi, good morning. Hi, Clarissa, how are you today?
Good morning.
How are you today? You feeling good?
I'm
Are you
fine.
ready to join the lesson today? All
Yes.
right. Have you prepared your paper, big paper like
Yes.
this? Yay, good job. Now, how about the marker? This is the tools that we always use. I used to put this marker on my finger like this, and I'm going to be like Wolverine, like that. All right. And then how about your watercolor? Do you have it, Clarissa? Jessica, do you have watercolor?
Yes.
Okay, now we're going to use watercolor, yeah? And then Oliver, do you have watercolor with you? You have it, right, Maurice? Okay. Sorry, I always call you Oliver. Oliver is your brother, actually. Yeah. All right. We're going to start, yeah? How many people, yeah? We have actually five, right? Yeah, five. Maurice,
Right.
Jessica, Clarissa, Wenjie, and Abigail. But I don't know where's Wenjie. Okay, I'm going to start, yeah? I'm going to share you this one. We're going to learn first before we start to paint. All right. This is my presentation, and I want you to see this one. All right. Can you see my presentation?
Yes.
Clarissa, Jessica, and Maurice, please open your microphone. We're going to discuss first, yeah? Okay, between these two uh, picture or painting, which one do you think that cubism? Oh, somebody playing the Mario Bros. Can you please turn it off first? We have to learn first. You can play later, yeah? This morning, everybody need to learn first. Shut off your, turn it off your game. Okay? Clarissa, Jessica, and Maurice, which one do you think that cubism? Which one, A or B?
Quality.
Uh, oh, we have who this one? Oh, we have Wonjie now. Okay, Jessica, Clarissa, and Maurice, you have to answer me, yeah? I give you this picture, and I want you to guess which one is cubism, A or B? Come on, Clarissa. Can you see my presentation?
Yes.
Yeah, which one do you think cubism? This one, A or B? Which one? Who choose A? Please raise your hand. Who choose A? Cubism is A. Raise your hand. Cubism is B, Mr. Al. Raise your hand. Okay, actually, the cubism style is on the A. This one is cubism, yeah, where black and fun. And then this one is made by who? Did you still remember? Piet what?
Mondrian.
Yes, Piet Mondrian. Okay, now today, yesterday, we also talking about geometric abstract painting, right? Is it correct that yesterday we learned about geometric abstract painting? Right, like this, right? Clarissa, you draw the circle, right, Clarissa?
Yes.
And Jessica, you also draw the triangle, right, like this?
Yes.
And then Maurice, you also draw some square and rectangle, right? Yeah, actually, we talk. We say it geometric abstract painting. Now, wow, we have this kind of beautiful painting. Did you see? Do you guys know what style is this?
Wow.
What painting is this? Have you ever seen this painting before?
No. No.
Actually, when you go to church, who always go to church on Sunday morning? Who always go to church? Raise your hand. If you are in the cathedral or in the Catholic church, you will see a lot of like this one. Yeah, the stained glass art, something like that. Okay, this is what we call it, stained glass. Okay, I'm going to show you this video first. Check this out.
Hmm.
Wow. All right. That one we call it stained glass. Can everybody say stained glass?
Stained glass.
Stained glass. Yes, I'm going to type it on your comment, and you have to say it stained glass once again. Yeah. This is what we call stained glass. Ready? Okay, I want more. When you have to say it stained glass. When you stained
Stained
glass.
glass.
Good job. And Maurice, stained glass.
Stained glass.
Clarissa,
Ten stained
stained
glass.
glass. Okay. How about Jessica? Stained glass.
Stained glass.
All right, then we're going to draw something, and we're going to color it like using stained glass technique. Okay. Now prepare your paper. We're going to draw a butterfly on our paper. Are you ready? Now I want you to draw the
Yeah.
butterfly. We're going to start with the with the head first, circle like this, right? You have to put the butterfly in the middle of your paper,
Okay.
like that. And then actually butterfly also have a body like this, right? Head, body, and tail. I'm going to draw the tail a little bit longer. I'm sorry, my line is not really tidy. It's because I have some difficulties to draw it using this kind of, yeah, paper or position. And then, how many wings that butterfly have?
4.
Four. Okay, good job. Okay, we're going to draw one wings on this part. Remember, you have to end it in the middle of the body, like that, like that. Can you do it? Okay, this one has to be a little bit, the opposite one should supposed to be a little bit the same, yeah? And then this one, I'm going to draw another wings on this side. I know this one is very hard for you to create a very like symmetrical wings, but once you are trying and you know how to do it, you will be able to do it later on. Okay, I forgot about something. What should we add on this uh, butterfly? Hi, Abby. Good morning. Come on, we are now trying to draw a butterfly. What do you think, Clarissa? Apa yang kurang?
Oh.
What is the thing that we need to add?
Mm.
What? This butterfly looks so empty.
Hmm.
What? Oh, you need the antenna, right? Okay, we're going to draw the antenna on this part. And this one also. Wow, now it looks a little bit different. And how about the eyes, Mr. R? Oh, you want to draw the eyes? Okay. You're going to draw the eyes on this part. Oh, it looks so scary now. I know. But yeah, we're just now trying to make it a little bit simple and easy. Come on, Abigail, try to grab your paper and draw the butterfly. And then it's time for us to decorate our butterfly. I'd like to put some circle on this part. Yeah, you have to make it a little bit symmetrical, like that. If you draw the line on your right side, you have to draw also the line on your left side. Okay, we're going to make it like a stained glass technique, yeah? Like that. Okay, that. I'm going to draw another things like this. I'm going to connect all the circle to the body like that. And then I'm going to cut it on this part. Use a line. This one is actually similar with the Cubism style and Piet Mondrian, yeah? Did you notice that this one is the same, like Piet Mondrian did? Yeah, like that. Okay, this is cool. Okay, how about the body? Do you have any idea how to decorate the body? That. Okay, if you don't have any idea, I'm going to show you the slide presentation of the going to give you the what this is the oh, okay, this one. See that the butterfly looks so cool. The body is something like that. So I got the idea now, and I'm going to apply it on my drawing. Ready. Going to put something like this on the bottom side, the tail, and then one more, maybe make it like what, like this. Okay, you can decorate it using your own style. Yeah, draw one butterfly. All right, Clarissa, Jessica, Maurice, Wenje, and Abigail, I want you to draw two butterfly, and you have to draw one more on the left or one more on the right side, and you have to use your own hands, your own free hands to draw it. I will not help you. I mean, I will not draw another things. I will not give you some example. You have to draw it by yourself. Clarissa, draw another one, please. You know how already how to draw flowers, right? I mean, butterfly, right?
Right.
Okay, come on, draw another one, please, guys, and make it different with this one. This one is made by Mr. Al. I want you to make another one, and you have to decorate it using your own creativity. Do not follow Mr. Al. Mr. Al's drawing are not really good. Your drawing is more better than me. Yay. Okay, like that. Please draw another one, another butterfly, please. And I'm going to draw mine, and I'm not going to show you. This one is my secret, because if I show you later, you will follow me, and I don't really like to see some of my students following me every time and yeah, every single examples. I want my students to be more creative by making his own uh, creation. Yeah, Mr. R is only like motivating you, and you have to make it yourself. That- I'm not going to show you my second one. Okay, I draw two, but I will not show you. I will cover it. I only can show you one. This one. Come on, Abigail. Draw another one. I mean, yeah, draw the butterfly. Now, I think it's time for us to color it. Yeah. As usual, we are going to combine. Uh, you're going to use stained glass today. Stained glass technique, which we're going to use more color on what every picture. I mean, yeah, like that. And it's easy for me to use highlighter because it's looks so nice. The color, like neon color, like that. And okay, what sound is that? Okay, now I'm coloring my drawing. Uh, yeah, so today we are learning about stained glass. If you go to church for the Christians uh, people, especially in Catholic, they have the stained glass on the church windows. Yeah, if you notice that you see that so many work like stained glass work on the windows, and it looks so beautiful because they are using colors and some technique, some painting. I mean, some object that they expose on their windows like that. And we are now trying to make it stained glass technique, but using paper. This one is still related with the one that we learned since 3 days ago. We learned about cubism, which is we transform the style of the cubes shapes and we apply it on our painting. And also yesterday, just 2 days ago, we also learned about Piet Mondrian, the abstract artist who worked with the square and rectangle as an element that he used for expressing his ideas. And today we just learn about stained glass, which is a little bit similar with Cubism and Piet Mondrian style, like this. And at the end, tomorrow, your painting will look so cool. Trust me. We're going to combine all the three styles into one. I'm going to use many different colors. Don't forget, at the end, Abigail, you need to present your work, yeah? You need to talk about your work, this one. Abby, get ready, yeah? Don't hide again, Abby. We are almost done our session. I will not miss you. So if you talk, I will not miss you then. Okay, Abby, ready, yeah? After this one, everyone, Abby will present her work. Yay, that will be cool. Okay, I'm done with my first butterfly. I wish that I can work every day with you guys because you are very smart and you guys are very diligent to always coloring your work. Abby, why you turn off your camera? Open it, please. Mr. R wants you to talk about your drawing. Come on, Abby. Abigail, we miss you. Open up the camera, please. Okay, I'm done with my first butterfly like that. Wow, so cute. And I will uh, work with my second one. I'm going to make it more colorful this time. Abigail, where are you? Abigail, if you do not open your camera, I will sing again then. You know that, right? If I'm singing, everybody will cover their ears because my voice is so bad.
Sing,
Yeah.
let it go again.
No, Clarissa, please. My voice is not really good. How about Clarissa singing Let It Go? Clarissa, can you sing? Mm-hmm. You side.
Yeah.
Can? Okay, ready? One, two, go.
No, no, no. I'm recording my butterfly first.
Okay, maybe next time, yeah, you will sing. You know what? When I was like you, I like to sing, but people don't like my voice because my voice is so bad. I mean, not really good. They don't like to hear my voice. That's why I'm so sad. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Jessica, my voice is good, right?
Nope.
Jessica, you're so honest. You're so mean. Okay, I will sing another song. Apa ya? Another song. Apa Wenje? Singing a Chinese song?
Can
Like
you sing Chinese?
Chinese song? I don't know. What song? Yeah, I forgot. I cannot. Wenje, can you sing some Chinese song? Please. Ready? One, two, go. Go on, Wenje, sing some song.
I'm gonna get that thing for what?
I don't know what song that you can. You're Chinese, right? Wenje, I'm sure that you memorize one or two songs. Can you
No,
please
no.
sing it for us?
I know a English song.
Is it English song?
Yeah.
What song is that? What? Tomorrow? Can you sing tomorrow?
I have singing.
I can sing today.
Today? Okay, come on, Munje. What song that you want to sing? Come on, we are waiting.
I can sing.
You can sing, Clarissa?
Yes.
What song that you can sing?
Tidy up.
Tidy up?
Yes.
Okay, ready. One, two, go.
Tidy up. Tidy up. It's time for tidy up.
Nice. Good job. Yay. I'm clapping a lot. I give you two thumbs up. Good job. I also can sing tidy up, Clarissa. Tidy up, tidy up. Everybody tidy up.
Finger on my right.
Wow, and Jay, you have a very nice voice. Yeah, okay.
Oh.
Okay, I'm going to share that now. Okay, after. Hi, Abigail. Can you show me your drawing, please? I want to see the progress. Are you done with
Oh,
that?
hello, Nemo and Joey.
You know what, Abby? I'm a big fan of Nemo and Dory. I like Dory and Nemo because they are so cute. Oh my goodness, so cute. All right, Abby, now it's time for you to present
I
your
knew
work.
it.
Wow, nice, Abby. Wow, that's cool. You color it with green. Come on, Abby, trace it with black marker. Trace it with black marker, your drawing. Okay, who's done? No one is done. All right, today maybe we don't have any presentation because we are busy with uh, drawing everything. But tomorrow is our last day for learning about this one. So I want you tomorrow to speak a lot. Yeah, just learn how to speak a lot so that you can present your work later on when you grow up and your English are raising better later on. How is it, Clarissa? Are you done?
Um,
Not yet, yeah.
yes.
Okay, if you're not yet done, it's okay. You can continue with that. And if you're done, I want you to cut it.
Got it.
Yeah, cut it with scissor. Yeah, like the one you did it on your what on your previous drawing before.
Is this my drawing paper?
Yeah. Wow, it's nice. You colored the hair with black, Clarissa.
Yes.
Wow, I like it. That looks like
I colored my hair in red.
yeah, that's nice also, Wenjie. I like it. I mean, in art, everybody can use any kind of color. It doesn't have to be realistic like in the real world. You have okay, I'm cutting now my butterfly. Oh yeah, tomorrow I want everybody to prepare one big A3 size paper, yeah. Ask mommy to prepare one big A3 size paper, like drawing paper like this. This is my drawing paper, so big, right? I want you to have a big paper like this. Okay, Clarissa?
Okay.
Yeah, you can use that kind of paper, Clarissa. Your paper is already big, so you don't have to buy a new one. For those who don't have any who doesn't have any big paper, I want you to guys to prepare it. Yeah, if you're done, please cut it.
Okay. It's gonna be a little hard. So,
Okay, before you cut it, Wenjie, can you present it first? Are you ready? Okay, everybody, please listen up. Wenjie want to present his work. Ready? One, two, go. Come on, Wenjie. Ready? One, two, go.
hello, my name is Wendy and this is my butterfly drawing. First, I draw the head. Second, I draw the eyes. And then third, I draw the wings. And then the body. And then the tail. I also do a second one.
Wow. Do you have any problem when you draw it?
No,
Is it hard or easy? Okay.
easy.
Did you can you mention three things that you learned from this
I
lesson today?
learn glass, stain,
Stained glass,
and
and then
glass, and how to draw butterfly,
how to draw butterfly. Good job.
and color different and colorful.
Oh, you make it colorful, yeah, with color tools. Okay, thank you so much, Wanya. I give you two thumbs up. Oh, good job, well done, and five.
Sister
I mean,
out.
$10. I want you, Wanya, to cut it first. Okay, Clarissa, what's happened?
Am I ready cat one butterfly?
Okay, nice, Clarissa. I want you now to present your work, Clarissa. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, ready? One, two, go.
Hello, my name is Clarissa, and this is my drawing.
A drawing. How to do it? I mean, how to draw it?
First I draw the head, the body,
The wings.
the wings, and the antenna.
Okay.
And
with marker and watercolor. Thank you.
Oh, nice, Clarissa. Are you happy with your drawing today?
Yes.
Hey, can you mention three things that you learned today?
Um,
You learn about
Stained
what?
glass,
Stained glass. Good job. Second one, you learn about what?
draw a butterfly and coloring a
Ah,
butterfly.
you draw the butterfly and you're coloring the butterfly. Well done. Thank you so much, Clarissa. Now keep on going, cutting your butterfly because tomorrow you're going to stick it on our paper later on. Okay, tomorrow will be our last days and we're going to make something very cool. Okay, combining all of your work. You're going to combine from the day one, day two, day three, day four, going to combine it all together and it will going to be nice later on. We're going to create something very cool. All right. Now it's time for Abigail. Abigail, are you okay? Why are you always hiding, Abigail? I'm so missing you. I mean, yeah. Open up your camera, please. Abby, it's okay if you're not done. Abigail, I think she needs some time to prepare her work. Okay, I'm going to give it to Maurice or Jessica. Jessica, are you ready? Okay. Everyone, please pay attention to Jessica. She wants to present her work. Ready? One, two, go.
Hello, this is my work.
Wow, nice, Jessica.
I drew a fish. I drew the butterfly, and the tail,
Hmm.
and the wing.
And then
And then I colored it with watercolor.
you color it with watercolor. And then,
And then I drew the eye.
oh, you draw the eyes. Nice. How about the antenna? You draw it also?
Yes,
Yeah. Are you happy with your drawing, Jessica? Wow. Okay, Jessica, can you mention three things that you learned today?
I drew
You learn about what, Jess?
a down stained glass.
Oh, you learn about stained glass. Good job. The second one, you learn about what?
Draw butterfly.
Draw butterfly. Yay. The last one, you learn about what?
Colored.
Coloring with watercolor, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Jessica. Okay, you can continue cutting the first butterfly. And then the last one, maybe Maurice. Maurice. Oh, God bless you. Wenjie, you can get your tissue to cover your mouth.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, wipe it. How about Maurice? Maurice, are you there? Are you done, Maurice? And Abigail? It's already 9:40. I can give you 5 more minutes to present. Are you ready, Maurice and Abby? Come on, guys. In every lesson, actually, I want everybody to speak. Yeah, not only like drawing. Everyone can draw a lot. Even me can draw. My wife can draw. My child can draw. But no, sometimes there is nobody wants to talk about the concept, about the idea of behind their work. I want you to learn how to talk also. So you will learn two things: drawing. I mean, a lot of things: drawing, presenting, speaking in English, and yes, a lot of things that you can learn when you are talking. How is it, Clarissa? You want to say something?
No, no, no.
Okay, how is it? How is it so far? You already learned art with me like 4 days until now. Are you happy with all the lesson?
Yes.
Do you think that do you think that you still have a problem?
No.
Okay. Now from now on, is it easy for you to draw or hard?
Easy, very easy.
Easy, right? So you can do everything yourself. You don't get any help, right, from your daddy or your mommy?
Yes.
Yeah, you work alone. I can see that you are becoming better and better, Clarissa. Okay, if tomorrow will be our last day and maybe next, I mean, you will miss my lesson, just to remember that Mr. Al always wants you to always create something and you have to be able to present it using your English, yeah, using your language. Okay, Clarissa?
Okay. Oh,
And
Mr. Al, is this my flower?
yeah, that's nice. Yeah, yeah, that's just a good idea. Yeah, I forgot to teach you how to draw the flower, but you suddenly came up with a nice idea. Thank you, Clarissa, for being creative. Now you can draw another flowers and you have to cut it first. Cut it first and don't stick it first, babe, because tomorrow we're going to stick all our drawing onto one paper later on. So today you have to just need to cut it. Cut it first, everything, but don't stick it yet. Okay? Cut it first and don't stick it yet. Stick itnya later, yeah, tomorrow.
I got it
Uh,
already.
yeah, if you cut it already, thank you so much, guys. Time's up now, 9:40 already, and I want everybody to
Time.
what?
This is something.
Okay, Jessica, do you have anything to say? Nothing. Okay, see you again tomorrow, Jessica, Clarissa.
Bye bye,
Don't
Mr.
forget tomorrow you
Al.
need to prepare one big paper, yeah.
Okay, bye. Bye bye bye.
Tomorrow prepare one big paper. Thank you so much. Bye bye, Abigail. Bye bye, everyone.
Bye.